Expressing emotions is a vital part of communication, and today, we're diving into how to express excitement and disappointment in English. These emotions are universal, but the way we convey them can vary widely. Let's start with excitement. When you're excited, you might say, "I can't believe it," or "This is amazing." These phrases capture that rush of joy. You can also use exclamatory sentences like, "That's fantastic," or "I'm so thrilled." Adding a bit of enthusiasm in your tone can really amplify your message. For instance, if you just got tickets to a concert, you might say, "I'm so excited to see my favorite band live." Another great way to express excitement is through questions. Asking, "Can you believe this is happening?" invites others to share in your joy. You can also use body language. Smiling, jumping up and down, or even clapping your hands can convey your excitement without saying a word. Now, let's shift gears to disappointment. It's just as important to express this emotion clearly. You might say, "I'm really bummed about that," or "That's such a letdown." These phrases communicate your feelings effectively. If you missed an event you were looking forward to, you could say, "I was really looking forward to it, and now I feel disappointed." When discussing disappointment, it's also helpful to ask for support. Phrases like, "How do you feel about this?" or "What do you think we should do now?" can open up a dialogue and help you process your emotions. Responding to emotions is crucial too. If someone shares their excitement, you can say, "That's awesome. I'm so happy for you." This not only acknowledges their feelings, but also strengthens your connection. Conversely, if someone expresses disappointment, a simple, "I'm sorry to hear that," shows empathy and understanding. Remember, the way we express our emotions can shape our interactions. So, whether you're sharing your excitement or dealing with disappointment, being clear and genuine makes all the difference. Now, if you found this information helpful and want to learn more about expressing emotions and improving your English skills, consider subscribing to Docents Digitalist. Engaging with our content can help you navigate these emotional expressions with confidence and clarity.